Hello everyone, my name is Shivaji as a math teacher. So first press the bell icon button and subscribe to my YouTube channel Educational Math, and you can see the latest video of my YouTube channel Educational Math. Okay, so next point. So already I have taught you addition facts, but today I am going to teach you next points, addition rules. So first rules of addition, adding 0, second rules of addition, adding 1, third rules of addition, order in addition. But what is in by adding 0, what is in by adding 1, what is in by order in addition? So first I will take first point, adding 0. So what is in by adding 0? When you add 0 to a number, the answer is the same number. So first rule of addition, adding 0 means when you add 0 to a number, the answer is the same number. For example, 0 plus 5 is equal to, as it is right on, biggest number 5. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Then second number example, 0 plus 3 is equal to, as it is right on, 3. Then third number example, 2 plus 0 is equal to, as it is right on, 2 number. So 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Then second rule, adding 1. So what is meant by adding 1? So how to solve adding 1 type example? Adding 1 means when you add 1 to a number. Adding 1 means when you add 1 to a number, the answer is the number that comes after. Adding 1 means when you add 1 to a number, the answer is the number that comes after. For example, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then next example, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then next example, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then last rules of addition, order in addition. So order in addition means when you change the order of the number, beginning added, the answer remains the same number. Order in addition means when you change the order of the number, beginning added, the answer remains the same number. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 is the same as 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Do you understand on total rules? 3 rules. First rules, adding 0, second rules, adding 1, and last rules, order in addition. So first I will take first rules, adding 0. So write down first point, adding 0 means. So write down first rules, adding 0. Adding 0. So what is meant by adding 0? Adding 0 means when. Adding 0 means when you add 0. When you add 0 to a number, the answer is the same numbers. The answer is the same numbers. So what is meant by adding 0? Adding 0 means when you add 0 to a number, the answer is the same numbers. For example number first, 0 plus 5. Example number first, 0 plus 5. How to solve this type example? First you observe this all example, then you decide what is the asked in the question, then you solve. So how to solve this type example? So first you observe these first rules. Here given first rules, which rules? Adding 0. When you add 0 to a number, the answer is the same number. So 0 plus 5 is equal to how many answers come here? So 5 number is the biggest number. 5 number is the biggest number. So 0 plus 5 is equal to here, as it is write down this biggest number 5. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Then second number example 3 plus 0. Then second number example 3 plus 0 is equal to how many answer will come here? So as it is here, write down biggest number here, which is the biggest number 3, and 0 is the smallest number. So as it is write down this biggest number here, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Then next example, example number third. So I will give different type example. So third number example 0 plus 7 is equal to, here how many answers will come here? 0 plus 7 is equal to, yes, give me answer, yes. 0 plus 7 is equal to, yes, accurate answer. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. So I will give last example related for these rules adding 0. So example number 4, 9 plus 0 is equal to, how many answers come here? 9 plus 0 is equal to, as it is write down this biggest number 9. Okay, do you understand? Adding 0 means, okay. So again time listen, adding 0 means when you add 0 to a number, the answer is the same numbers. So for example 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Then second number example 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Then third number example 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. And last example 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. So I will give next rules adding 1. So did you write this rules adding 0? Okay, can I clean this board? Okay. So after I will give second rules adding 1. Wait 10 seconds. Okay. So write down second number rules. Rule number second, adding 1. Second number rules adding 1. So what is the adding 1? When adding 1 means when you add 1 to a number, the answer is the numbers that comes after. So adding 1 means when you add 1 to a number, the answer is the numbers that comes after. For examples related for this second number rules adding 1. For example number first. So 7 plus 1 is equal to. So how to solve this type example? First you after the solve example, then you decide what is the asked in the question, then you solve. So how to solve this type example? Here given second number rules, here use this second number rules, then you solve this first number example. Here given second number rules, when you add 1 to a number, the answer is the numbers that comes after. So here 7 plus 1 is equal to, how many as you come here? 7 plus 1 is equal to S. Yes, give me answer. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So second number example number second, 6 plus 1 is equal to, how many answer will become here? Yes, can you give me answer? Yes, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So last example number third. So 2 plus 1 is equal to, how many answers will come here? Yes, can you give me answer? Yes, accurate answer. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Do you understand? Adding 1 means when you add 1 to a number, the answer is the numbers that comes after. So for example, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Second number example, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then last example, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Do you understand? Okay, so after I will give third number rules, order in addition. Okay, did you write this? Rule number second? Okay, so I will give rule number third related for this chapter, addition. Rules number third. So wait 6 seconds. Okay, so I will give last rules of addition chapter. Rules number third, order in addition. Order in addition. So last rules of this chapter, addition. So order in addition means when you change the order of the numbers being added, the answer remains the same. Answer remain the same. For example number first. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to how many answers come here? Yes, 5. So do you know what is the name of this symbol? Yes, plus. What is the name of this symbol? Plus. So 3 plus 2 is equal to how many answers come here? 5. How many answers come here? 5. Then is the same as 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to how many answers come here? Yes, 5. Do you understand how to solve this type of example? First use this rule number third, adding in addition. When you change the order of the numbers being added, the answer remains the same. For example, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 is the same as 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So last example. So example number second. I will do last example. Example number second. 5 plus 2 is equal to, yes, 5 plus 2 is equal to how many come here? 7. So is the same as 2 plus 5 is equal to how many come here? 7. Okay, do you understand or not? Addition rules, first rules, adding 0, adding 1 and ordering addition. Do you understand or not? Okay, thank you.